Hello Scorpio, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konemi. So for today's video, I'm going to do a 30-day forecast. So choose which one of these stones would you like to represent your next 30 days. This is a general reading, by the way. If it doesn't resonate, don't take the message. Okay, for paid personal readings, just check the description box below. Nandyan po yung tawag dito, contact details ko. Sandali pa ang labo ng camera ko. Anyway, pause if you need more time. This is 1, 2, and this is 3. Okay. Now, if you have chosen number 1, so let's see. For the next 30 days, Scorpio, there will be arguments from a person na parang nanloko to, nagsinungaling. Pero things are not adding up. This may be something connected sa family, property, pwede rin sa pera. Tapos iba yung sinabi sa'yo, iba yung alam ng pamilya. This could be you na parang mabubuking, or this could be somebody else na parang natutunugan mo ng nagsisinungaling sa'yo. Parang merong someone na in your face, sinasabihan ka na huy, huwag ka maniwala dyan. Pero inoobserbahan mo lang. But anyway, things are not going to add up. Well, Scorpio ka, mahalata mo na to. So, parang within the next 30 days, itong magiging issue mo. Now, what do you need to focus on? Whether to believe this person or not. Kasi parang natutunugan mo rin kasi na hindi siya nagko-commit. Wala, yung mga pinapangako niya hindi natutupad. Iba yung sinasabi niya versus sa galaw niya. So, makinig ka sa intuition mo. Especially sa galaw niya. Kasi parang yun yung pinaka-glaring. Na parang akala ko ba ganito, bakit yung galaw mo ganyan? So, this may be someone also connected to a lover perhaps, who's pretending to be single tapos may pamilya pala. So, careful. Or, this could be you if may pamilya ka tapos sinasabi mo wala. Ingat-ingat, baka mabuking ka na. Anyway, if you're going to do this advice, pakinggan mo yung situation and i-analyze mo yung galaw versus dun sa sinasabi. Bottom of the deck, ang possible outcome is, makakapag-reflect ka na parang ang galing ko talaga. For some reason, I'm hearing conceit na parang, naks, ako lang nakakita nun. Ako lang nakahalata nun. If it weren't for me, parang ganun. May ego na hermit to eh. Intuitively na parang sila, parang nadugas na sila lahat pero ako hindi. Ako ang nag-iisang nagtanong. Ako ang nag-iisang nagbusisi. Kung totoo ba yung nangyayari, yun ba talagang sinabi? Ganun ba talagang outcome? At ako lang nakabuking na hindi iba yung nangyayari sa sinasabi sa amin. So, congrats. If ikaw yung inattempt na lokohin pero nabuking mo. Pero kung ikaw ang nanloloko, be careful with the Virgo. Kasi Virgo ang hermit eh. Ikaw ang mabubuking. Okay? Anyway, if you have chosen number 2, your next 30 days will be all about the money. Like, ano ba to? Ipanglalakwatsa ko ba to o susundin ko to si King of Swords na wag na muna? Kasi parang may iba pang pinapagawa si King of Swords. This could be your boss. Maybe this person is, telling you not to go on leave just yet. Kakailangan ng ka pa namin for the next phase ng project. Kaso kating-kati ka ng, maglakwatsa. So, there's going to be indecision whether maglalakwatsa ka or wag na lang muna. What you need to do is, if you're hesitating, pero meron naman talagang nagseseduce sa'yo, So actually, sige na, gala na tayo, ganyan. Try to think of this person, itong nag-aaya sa yung gumala. Is this someone na you actually feel safe with? Kasi ang King of Cups, okay lang yan pag magandang situation. Pagka nagka-leche-leche, nagka-problema, hindi mo mahahagilap yan. Or, pwedeng mag-i-stay siya pero wala siyang gagawin. Let's say for example, nabastos ka, parang hindi to yung type na makikipagsuntukan, ma-defend ka lang. Or hindi to yung ilalagay ang sarili sa peligro, maisalba ka lang. No, that's not the type of guy. That's not the type of person. Ngayon, are you still going to go out with this kind of energy? Or, hindi, upright siya. Pero usually ito yung KKB. So if you're planning or if you're expecting to be treated like a princess, tapos Knight of Cups, the Knight of Cups is the princess. Kahit lalaki pa yan. Parang andito na nga ako parang present na nga ako kahit na mangungonsensya pa to. Parang lahat ibibigay ko sa'yo except sa panlilibre. So pagdating sa pera, medyo to, hindi yan nagpo-provide. More on romantic gestures ang Knight of Cups. Do you actually want to be with that person? Now, if you're going to assess that possible outcome, mas magiging klaro sa'yo kung ano yung mas kakailanganin mong i-prioritize. And in this case, it's facing the King of Swords. Pwede ring pagsabayin mo to. Parang magta-travel ako kasama si Knight of Cups, pero you can actually coordinate with me while I'm on vacation. Pwedeng ganun din. Okay? So, things over. So, there. That's for you. Let's proceed, Kai. Sakit ng balikat ko. Number 3. If you have chosen number 3 for the next 30 days, it will be all about love. Parang finally, ma-unburden ka na ng obligations na hindi naman sa'yo. Especially if you actually stood your ground na hindi, sasama ako dito or parang I'm going to spend time with this person. It be romantic, pwede ring friendly, pwede ring the other person is yourself. Na parang wala na akong panahon sa sarili ko, lubayan niyo ko. Parang I will need to have myself for myself. Parang ganun rin. Now, what do you need to focus on is Justice reversed. Pwedeng payagan ka pero at the same time kokonsensyahin ka na sige, lumayas ka dun. Hayaan mo kaming wala kaming makain dito or hayaan mo kaming walang maano dito, parang ganoon. Pero pagkatapos mong gumala, pagkatapos mong magkaroon ng alone time, tapos babalik ka na, mawawala yung pagiging beast mode nila towards you kasi ay salamat bumalik na siya. We can finally take advantage of this person's presence again. Now, bottom of the deck is Page of Wands reverse. So, ikaw naman yung magbe-beast mode. Parang nasa vacation ako, nasa alone time ako, ang gulo nyo. Pero mahalaga na tuloy. Yun nga lang, baka hindi mo ma-enjoy. Gaya ng reading ko ngayon, ang ingay bigla. So, parang ganun yung energy na parang yes, nakapag-record nga ako, pero ang daming istorbo. In your case, makakapag-vacation ka nga, makakapag-alone time ka nga, pero reply ka ng reply. So, I suggest pagka maraming nanggugulo habang on vacation ka, turn off your phone. Unless you're going to take pictures. Okay? That's for you, Scorpio. Thank you so much. And again, for paid personal reading, send me a private message. Bye!